it all. We was supposed to do it, yeah. We was supposed to do it.
David West.
We was supposed to do it all.
Damn, age you spazzed on this one.
Yeah. We was supposed to do it all. Yeah. It's crazy how we really fell off. We done been through it all, but I ain't switch up on you. But I don't need a soul for nothing. Curdy Buck gon' pull through. Press one button out of whip, I'm swerving in, don't got a roof.
What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back with another big body banger, man. I'm finna be making a high quality preset, man. I thought I'd make a video like this to, you feel me, help out everybody who, you know, don't really got it like that, man. So if you want the preset, it's in the comments down below, man. Check out that pin preset, log in, boop-de-boop, save that preset to your account, and boom, man, you got this high quality preset, man. But I'm about to just, you know, go through the steps pretty much. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, man. It means a lot, and it's gonna help your boy Curdy Bo go a long way, man. But hey, without further ado, let's get into the video.
It ain't no love in the city. Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so we finna go straight in, man. Raw vocals, no presets, none of that. The only thing we got on right now is our noise gate. But as we go through the song, man, I'm finna just lay these vocals down, and then I'm finna mix it at the end. So I'm gonna show y'all just the whole process, and you know how I go behind the scenes. So make sure y'all take notes, smash that like button, and man, stay tuned for more big body bangers, man. You already know the vibes, man. But hey, come on, let's get into it.
We was supposed to do it.
Yeah,
We was supposed to do it all. Yeah.
all right, now we're gonna duplicate that. I'm gonna punch in for this song. We was supposed to do it all.
Yeah.
Yep, let's get it.
We was supposed to do it all. Yeah. It's crazy how we really fell off. Up on you. See how we really fell off. We done been through it all, but I ain't switch up on you. We was switch up on you, but I don't need a soul for nothing. Curdy Buck gon' pull through. Press a button out of whip. I'm swerving in, don't got a roof. Pull through. Press one button out of whip. I'm swerving in, don't got a roof. It ain't no capping in my raps. I'm the whip. I'm swerving in, don't got a roof. It ain't no capping in my raps. I'm really known for spitting the truth. I do this for the. I do this. In my raps, I'm really known for spitting the truth. Yeah, I do this for the fam. I'm really known for spitting the truth. I really do this for the fam. I really do this for the youth. I do this for the fam. I really do this for the youth. All these trials and tribulations, but I'ma make it up. All these trials and tribulations, but I just do. I really do this for the youth. All these trials and tribulations, I just pray I make it through. One, and you don't know about my pain. Yeah, I had to thug in the rain. Yeah, this shit'll make a nigga go insane. Yeah, you don't wanna feel my rage, fat thing. Yeah, I'm toting AK, Big Dre, aim that to your face every day. I'm just trying to stack the cake, find a way. I'm just trying to find it.
All right, now that we got our bass vocals down, I'm finna throw some more ad-libs on. So I'm finna duplicate my ad-libs. You feel me? Delete that. Boom. And if y'all enjoying this video, man, make sure y'all smash that like button, man. I'll try to make my videos more entertaining. You feel me? So get your popcorn, sit back, man, and enjoy. But hell yeah, let's get these ad-libs in.
You don't know about my pain, really don't. Yeah, I had to thug in the rain. Yeah, this shit'll make a nigga go insane. Yeah, you don't wanna feel my rage, fat thing. Yeah, I'm toting AK, Big Dre, aim that to your face every day. I'm just trying to stack the cake, find a way. I'm just trying to find it.
See, man, we got the song down. Now it's time. This the part y'all been waiting for, bro. I already know, bro. I already know. You don't even gotta say it. It's the part y'all been waiting for, bro. But let's get into the presets, man. But y'all be DMing me, bro. Preset. You got this preset. You got that preset. You got this preset. I'm already knowing this y'all favorite part, bro. But we gonna start off with the little intro vocals first. So let's get into it. So I ain't gonna lie, this is a little technique I use. some little sauce, man. Excuse all my presets. Yeah, I got too much presets. I know it's an unhealthy habit, man. I make new presets every day, man. Every second, man. I need new presets, bro. I need them, bro. But yeah, for the ad libs, what I do is I go to Hypebox and then I just make it a custom for my own vocals. I ain't gonna lie, bandlab created Hypebox and it's basically an ad lib, bro. So you know they got the best. This the best ad lib preset, bro. You just gotta add your own touch to it, bro. So what we gonna do is we gonna throw. Let's actually see what it's missing. Okay, it's not really missing anything. We got our compressor on there. What's this? We got our delay. We got a compressor. We're gonna turn that down. Right there, boom, boom. Turn that down a little bit. Fix the ratio. Take notes, man. And if you want this preset, send a comment section down below. I'm already having made when I drop this video. But let's see. All right, this is what we missing. We are missing some reverb, man. So let's throw some reverb on there. Hey. All right, that's cool. All right, that's actually, that's too much reverb. All right, that's cool. All right, now that we got our reverb, we're gonna throw a little auto tune on there. Now I suggest you guys add your beat first when you're creating your project, because when you add your beat first, it already bandlab like already kind of does the work for you as far as setting the BPM and the key. And you need to set the key for your vocals, bro. If this is for the people that just don't really know, you gotta set your key to the beat, to the same key on your auto tune. But luckily bandlab really does that all for you. But this is just for the people who didn't know, just in case you had like problems with auto tune, because you know I know how it be, bro. Been there, done that. But now that we got the auto tune on there, I'm gonna let y'all hear it right quick.
We was supposed to do it, yeah. We was supposed to do it.
David Witt.
We was supposed to do it all.
Yeah.
Now that we got our auto tune out the way, man, I'm gonna save this. So this is how y'all save a preset. You click on the little three dots right there, boom, save as, and then I'm just name it Hypebox YTV, boom. And then now that I saved that, this is just for people who duplicate their tracks. Make sure your ad libs all kind of are on the same preset, and make sure you're well, I mean, you can kind of mix it up. You can kind of do what you want, but if you just like want that simple feel, then make sure all your presets line up. Same goes for your vocals. But now that we got that out the way, we're finna add this preset on there and then throw that auto tune up a little bit. Hey. So now, and then usually what I do with my with my ad libs, I turn it down a little bit, and then I just kind of pan it to the left or to the right, like 30 dB, not dB, but you know what I mean. And then you feel me. And then I listen to how loud my voice is. So let's see.
We was supposed to do it all.
Alright, so it sounds like my voice is kind of more louder than the beat, so I'm gonna turn it down like just a little bit, like 2 point, you know. And then I'm kind of turn the beat down just a little bit too. Alright, you gotta always, I don't know if it's just how it is, but I don't like my vocals being louder than my beat. But yeah, now that we got that out the way, man, let's get into mixing these vocals. So for the first preset, we're finna add a graphic EQ. Now, what I'm finna do here is I'm finna get this red bar right here, and then I'm finna add my repeater on, and then I'm finna EQ my vocals so I can, you know, form a body for my vocals and just get it sounding good before I add all my other presets. So I repeat the same part, and then I click on get into the graphic EQ, and then this is where the magic happens. So kick back and take notes.
We was supposed to do it all. 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 We was supposed to do it all.
So basically what I was doing was cutting out all the high ends and low ends. If you guys don't know what I mean, just watch a couple YouTube videos on it. You're gonna get it. I haven't covered that subject yet. That's why I can't really say too much about it. But I know just enough to get that good graphic EQ mix. But now that we got that out the way, we're gonna add on another graphic EQ. So graphic EQ, boom, and then this is just gonna we're just gonna basically turn it turn it up just a little bit.
We were supposed to do it all. 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 We were supposed to do it all.
Alright, now that we got it sounding a little bit louder, we're going to add on our EQ3M, and we're just basically going to equalize the lows, the mids, and the highs. So let's get into it.
We were supposed to do it all. 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 We were supposed to do it all.
Alright, now that we got that out the way, man, we're going to add a D delay on there.
We were supposed to do it all. We were supposed to do it all. We were supposed to do it all.
Just for that little, echo vibe, and then we're going to add on our reverb.
We were supposed to do it all. We were supposed to do it all. We were supposed to do it all.
And then the next thing you're going to want to add, man, is your FBK compressor. Now, once we got that, we're going to put once we get the compressor on there, we're going to put the attack on 9 and the release on like around 200. That's cool for now. Then we're going to put the ratio on 4.0, and then we're going to add another compressor. So alright, so we got our FBK compressor on there, and then we're from that. Then I just added on the digicomp, or the same thing pretty much, but the ratio is going to be on a 2.0. So hey, and we're going to oh, and then last but not least, we're going to add on the de-easer. I knew I was missing something, but we're going to get that de-easer on there. And boom, man, I'm telling you, watch, the results gonna hit. Hold on. Now, once you get that out the way, make sure your bars is nice and healthy, sounding loud. Oh, snap. And sounding loud. So, boom, let's turn them up a little bit. Ooh, this is peaking heavy. Let me hear that right quick. Alright, that don't sound bad. That don't sound bad. But, if your vocals is peaking, as long as you got your compressor on there, man, you're good. And if you need your music mixed and mastered like a pro, DM me on Instagram. I can hook you up with an affordable deal, man. Tap in. I'm working with budgets as well. I make cover arts, all that. But let's listen to the song, man, from the beginning, and let's hear the results. Let's get into it. But alright, before we get into it though, last step, make sure you always pan your ad-libs. It's all on you, man. If you want to pan your ad-libs, go ahead, but I always gotta pan mine, I ain't gonna lie. But let's get into it.
We were supposed to do it, yeah. We were supposed to do it.
David went.
We were supposed to do it all.
Damn, age you spazzed on this.
Yeah. We were supposed to do it all. Yeah. It's crazy how we really sell all. We done been through it all, but I ain't switch up on you. But I don't need a soul for nothing. Curdy Buck gon' pull through. Press one.
once again, if y'all want the preset, it's in the comments down below. Check the pinned comment out. Run that comment up to 1,000 likes, and I'm gonna hook y'all up with a preset package for the F, bro. Yes, for my next video, I'm gonna throw it in the comment section, man. But make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and comment down below, man. Let me know what y'all thinking. Let me know how y'all feel about my videos. Let me know what type of new videos y'all want to see, man. Tap in with your boy, man. Follow me on IG. I'll follow everybody back, man. But hey, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace.